What's up, guys? Start to a maybe kind of sort of series of videos about this car. This is my daily car. It's a 2022 Camry, but we're gonna do some things to it. Maybe see where we can take it. I'm sitting outside Cherokee muffler right now in Canton, so we're gonna do a muffler and resonator delete on the Camry. It's gonna be dope. I'm gonna get a big old single exhaust tip put on the end. It's gonna be dope. So yeah.